In this video, I'll show you how to use your iPhone camera as a webcam for your Mac Mini M4. Since the Mac Mini does not have any cameras, this is a quick way to get one. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure that both your iPhone and your Mac Mini is running on the last update. So how do you know that is, on your Mac Mini, you go on the top left corner, click on the Mac Apple logo, select System Settings, then select General, Software Update, wait, and if there's an update pending, it will be over here, install it. Do the same thing on your iPhone. Now this feature is supposed to work wirelessly using the same Wi-Fi. If your Mac Mini M4 is connected to the same Wi-Fi as your iPhone, it should work. Unfortunately, I found that this is very unreliable, at least right now. So what I suggest is that you're using a USB Type-C cable that will connect your iPhone to the Mac Mini. And this for me worked every time quite well. So I'll go ahead and connect the USB Type-C cable here in the Mac Mini, and the other end I'll plug my iPhone. Next, I will open a video chat, maybe a FaceTime or any apps that requires you to have a camera. I'll open Photo Booth that comes installed on your Mac Mini, and once you open the app, you should get this screen on your iPhone automatically, and the filming will begin. It will use this camera over here, the one on the back, which is much better than the one on the front of your iPhone. So you'll need a stand for your iPhone. You can place it on your table, but the angle is not that great. Or you can place it on the top of your screen, and there's many options on Amazon that I'll put links in the description. Phone holders that attaches to your monitor. This way you won't have to hold the iPhone every time you want to use it as a webcam. Once you're done, you can go ahead and press disconnect. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Obviously, I would like to show you how it works wirelessly without any cables attached. Unfortunately, since this is not working very well at this moment, maybe in the future I'll be able to make a video showing it to you. But for now, using a cable has been the most reliable thing to do, for me at least. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.